Yan, ito yung pinadala natin ngayon na 2 pieces na Brazilian hybrid dito sa Bulacan.
Padadala pa rin tayong order going to North Caloocan, rider going to Santa Maria, Bulacan. Into Kawoy, Cavite. Taga Plaridel, Bulacan sila, pumikap sila dito ng ubas natin Black Riviera. Going to San Miguel, Bulacan. Pagdadala going to North Caloocan, April 7, Tuesday, year 2026, going to Porac, Pampanga. Ayun lang po, thank you. Today, going to North Caloocan, via Lalamove to North Cotabato. Ayun lang po, thank you. Eastern Samar, ito po yung West Avenue, Quezon City. Ayan. Tarlac. Ayan. Mulanay, Quezon Province. So, to Cebu. Thank you. Going to Kalumpit. Ayan, Brasilia lang naman dito sa Purok 5 or Purok 4, Kalumpit, Bulacan. To Parañaque City today, to Aklan. So, ayun lang po. Thank you. To Valenzuela today. Ayun lang. Thank you. Dadali niya to sa San Miguel, Bulacan. Si Labuang, La Union. At to Tabang, Plaridel, Bulacan today. Today, going to Silang, Cavite. Going to Bagumbong, Caloocan. Tansa, Cavite. Into BSU sa Bulacan State University. Into Misamis Oriental and Mexico, Pampanga. Going to North Caloocan. Nagcarlan, Laguna via LP. Today is April 30, 2026 mga katropang ubas, Thursday. So may ipadadala po tayo na mahigit 100 pieces po itong si Arcadia grapes. Ayan, pagos na siya, dami niya ng ugat. And then 500 pieces na Brazilian hybrid grapes. So lahat po na yan padadala natin today going to North Caloocan, April 30, 2026. Ayun lang po, thank you.